If you love grilling outdoors but hate lugging around heavy, bulky equipment, the Coleman RoadTrip 285 Portable Stand-Up Propane Grill is an absolute game-changer, designed for campers, tailgaters, and backyard grill masters alike. This powerhouse delivers up to 20,000 BTUs of clean, even heat across 3 independently adjustable burners. That means you can sear steaks on one side, while gently warming buns and veggies on the other, thanks to its spacious 285 square inches of cast iron cooking space. Starting it up couldn't be easier with the push button. Instastart Ignition, no matches or lighters needed. When it is time to pack up, the collapsible quick-fold legs and rugged wheels let you roll it right into your trunk in seconds without breaking a sweat. It is built tough, easy to clean, and ready for any weekend adventure. Upgrade your outdoor cooking setup today. Check out the link in the video description right now to get yours on Amazon and lock in the best current deal before it sells out.